Okay, I'm going to show you how to open the Imation 2.5 SATA hard drive Apollo 2. Imation Apollo 2 2.5 portable hard drive. First you have to remove all this rubber. This serves as so it will not so you have to remove this. Okay, actually I already removed it. That normally there it's glued. Okay, after removing that, then you will see two screws here. You have to remove the screw. Okay. And then after removing the screw, you have to slide it. It's either it will be left or right. Yeah? It will separate. You have to slide it there that way. Then it will be open. Yeah. See. So when it's opened, you will see the hard drive uh, in place. So to remove this hard drive, actually this is only clipped here. So you have to lift the clip and just try not to break it. Okay. So you can remove the hard drive from its original case. So this, as you can see, this is a Toshiba hard drive 320 gigabyte, made in the Philippines. Okay, actually this hard drive is already faulty. So it's either you can buy a new hard drive to repair it, or this will also fit your laptop. If this is still working, I can transfer this to my laptop and use it as hard drive for the laptop. Now you have to remove this screw here. Okay. Screw. And then you can unplug it, no? From the pins. It will separate. Then this is the board for the USB, and this is the SATA hard drive 2.5 inch. Okay, I hope you learned something today.